subscribers, and I want to do an update on the Golden Zucchini. My little plant stand, basically, I decided to buy a muscle rack to put all my Kratky projects on, because I thought I would be able to put it on this plant stand, but the plant stand is just made for plants, not any kind of containers with water. And basically, my husband kind of brought that to my attention, that the water inside these containers weigh a lot. And my plant stand started becoming the leaning plant stand, and so I had to take all my other plants off, and this is where I have her right now, the Golden Zucchini. But my plant stand should be delivered sometime between October the 22nd and the 23rd. And once that comes, and then I have her in her new place, I'll do a video. But I just wanted to show you what's going on with her. And as you can see, there is a zucchini there. In the early videos, it was a little small zucchini, but this one is coming along, and there's some male flowers on it. And I think what I'm going to end up doing is cutting those and saving them, because I'm not sure by the time the bloom happens on the fruit, will I have a male flower to pollinate her. So I just want to do an update on what's going on with the Golden Zucchini, and I'll get back with you once I have her in her new little spot. So until then, blessings everyone.